Guys, welcome to Chef Journal with John. Today we're making a sous vide tri-tip with a Asian marinade, so to say, and a Asian style chimichurri. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Alright, we're gonna start off with a roasted garlic. I pre-roasted it, so it's ready to go. This is about maybe a quarter cup or something. We've got soy sauce here. Just mix this directly in our bag that we're going to sous vide in. A little sesame oil. We have dried ginger here. And we have, this is black and white sesame seeds. You can just use either one of them if you can't find it. Both of them. Alright, and then we're just going to give it a quick stir in the bag. And it doesn't really have to be perfect. This is just our marinade for our tri-tip. Alright. We're going to add the tri-tip into the bag. And then we're going to be moving it around a little bit. Just get the marinade all over. And then we'll be adding it to our sous vide. We'll be sous viding this at 129 Fahrenheit for about 2 hours. Here we have our sous vide ready to put the tri-tip in. I just wanted to show you guys how to close these Ziploc bags if you don't know how to get the vacuum kind of going in it, you know. So you just close it like normal, and then you're just going to want to push it down until all of it is underneath except for a little bit of the zipper, and then you'll just finish closing it in the zipper, and then we're good to go. Just going to keep this up here, and then we'll let this sous vide go for 2 hours. Alright, so while we're waiting for our sous vide tri-tip to finish, we can start up on our Asian chimichurri. We'll start off by adding about 2 bunches worth of cilantro. Mine's a pre-packed one, so I'll just guesstimate here. How much cilantro? Probably about that. And then to that, we will just add our, we have the ginger here. Just drop it in whole, doesn't matter. Garlic, this is 3 cloves. Just drop them in. And then we're gonna drop in the sesame oil. And then last thing, rice wine vinegar. So then pull this in, and then just need to run it. Alright, and that's it. Pretty easy. It's just a ground up cilantro sauce. And we'll be putting this on top of our tri-tip at the end. Alright, 2 hours later and we finally got our steak done. But it's worth it. Alright, I'm gonna blowtorch it, and then I'll slice it up and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, we're back with the finished product for the sous vide tri-tip with a Asian chimichurri style sauce. Just gonna try it here. It's pretty tender. Don't even really need a knife. This fork will cut through it right now. Pretty good. Get some of that chimichurri. Steak. Super tender. Very good flavor too. It's has a nice Asian taste. You know, you got your rice wine vinegar coming through with the chimichurri, pretty strong, and then the we got all that soy and some of the other Asian flavors we got. Take one more bite. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Please comment what you would like to see me sous vide, or any keto recipes, or anything of that nature. Yeah, if you guys could share or like this video and just pass it on to your friends so I can help grow my channel. I'm just starting out, and yeah. Alright, see you guys.